Once upon a time, there lived a strange bride named Brunda. He lived on a banyan tree near the banks of a river. The strangeness of the bride lies in the fact that he had two necks but share a common stomach. One while the bride was flying high in the sky, he saw an apple-shaped fruit lying on the bank of the river. The bride stooped down, picked up the fruit and began to eat it. This was the most delicious fruit the bride has ever eaten. As the bride had two heads, the other head protested, I am your brother head. Why don't you tell me also eat this tasty fruit? The first head of the bride replied, shut up. You know that we have only one stomach. Whichever head eats the fruit will go to the same stomach. So it doesn't matter as the which head eats it. Moreover, I am the one who found this fruit, so I have the first right to eat it. Hearing this, the other head becomes silent, but this kind of selfishness on the part of the first head pinched him very much. One day, while flying, the other head spotted a tree bearing poison fruits. The other head immediately descended upon the tree and plucked a fruit from it. Please don't eat this poison fruit, cried the first head. If you eat, both of us will die, because we have a common stomach. Digest it. Shut up, shouted the other head. Since I have plucked this fruit, I have every right to eat it. This first head began to beep, but the other head don't care. He wanted to take revenge. He ate the poison fruit. As a result, both of them die.